Condition number 1. If selling price is decreased by 10%. So check out the problem. First one is selling price. Selling price of calculator per calculator is rupees 400. As per the condition, selling price is reduced by 10%. So 400 into 10, that is 40. So 400 minus 40, 360. New selling price less variable cost. Variable cost or marginal cost. Check out the problem. There are three costs are given. First one is material, which was 120. Second one is labor, which was 40 rupees. And third one is other variable cost, which was 40. 120, 40, 40. So total of this is 200. So total is 160. Sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution. So new contribution is 160. For the requirement, we have to calculate PV ratio. PV ratio. We know the formula of PV ratio, that is contribution divided by sales into 100. We just calculate the contribution, which was 160. Selling price is 360 into 100. So 44.44%. So your new PV ratio would be 44.44%. Next one is break even point. Again the formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Check out the problem. The fixed cost of per calculator is rupees 100 and company is manufacture 1000 calculator. So 1000 calculator into 100 divided by 44.44%, and your answer would be 2,25,033. That is 23. I'm sorry, it is 223, not 33. And last one is margin of safety. Margin of safety. And formula is actual sales minus BEP sales. Originally you are going to sell 1000 calculator and initial selling price was rupees 400. So 1000 into 400 minus 2,25,023, and your answer would be 1,74,977. Condition number 2. Selling price is decreased by 20%. Initially selling price was rupees 400 less 20% reduce or decrease. 400 into 20%, that is rupees 80. So 320. This is your new or revised selling price. From this we will reduce variable cost. Again it's very easy. There are three variable costs are given. First one is material, second one is labor, and third one is other variable cost. 200, that is 120, 40 and 40. So 200. By reducing the selling price minus total variable cost, your new contribution is 120. Right? If we reduce the selling price by 20%, the contribution would be 120. PV ratio. PV ratio. We know the formula, contribution divided by sales into 100. We just calculate the contribution, which was 120, and your revised selling price is 320 into 100. So PV ratio would be 37.5%. Next is we have to calculate the break-even point if the selling price is reduced by 20%. Again, formula remains the same, fixed cost upon PV ratio. So fixed cost is 1000 calculator into 100 divided by 37.5%. So your answer would be 2,66,667. And last one is margin of safety. Same, actual sale minus BEP sales. Your actual sale is 1000 calculator into 400 minus 2,66,667. So margin of safety 1,33,333 rupees. Condition number 3. Selling price and labor cost both will reduce by 5%. The first one is selling price, which was rupees 400, less reduce or decrease by 5%. So 400 into 5%, that is 20. 400 minus 20, 380. It is called new or revised selling price. So as usual, less variable cost or marginal cost. First one is material. There is no change in material price, so it should be 120. Labor cost, there is a twist. They are reducing the labor cost by 5%. Originally it was rupees 40, less 5% of rupees 40. So it will be 38. 40 minus 2. So 40 minus 2, that is 38. And last one is other variable cost. Other variable cost 40. So total of these three is 198. So revised contribution is 182. That is, if we reduce the selling price and labor cost by 5%, your new selling price is 380 and contribution is 182. Now PV ratio. It's very easy. Contribution divided by sales into 100. Your revised contribution is 182. Selling price is 380 into 100. So PV ratio would be 47.89%. Next is break-even point. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost is 1000 into 100 divided by 47.89%. So it would be 2,08,812 rupees. And the last one, margin of safety. Actual sale minus break-even point sales. So 100 into 1000 minus 2,08,812, and difference between these two figures is 1,91,188. So summary of the problem is condition, PV ratio, break-even point and margin of safety. Condition number 1, if the selling price is reduced by 10%. If we reduce the selling price, the revised PV ratio is 44.44%. Break-even point is 2,25,023. Margin of safety is 1,74,977. Condition number 2, if the selling price is reduced by 20%, then your PV ratio is decreased that is 37.5%. Break even point is increase 2,66,667, and margin of safety is decrease 1,33,333. And last and condition number 3, both selling price and labor cost is reduced by 5%. Then your PV ratio would be 47.89%. Break even point is 2,08,812, and margin of safety is 1,91,188.